So around 6:30, he came down and knocked at the door. When she inquired who is there, he said, "I am from the security supervisor." So the moment she opened the door, he forcefully entered and even flashed the knife. He had taken the knife with him. So immediately he flashed the knife, and she about to shout. Then he threatened her with the knife, and then he overpowered her with a hand, closed her mouth, took her inside the bathroom. From there, little she became too nervous and too, in a semi-conscious stage, So he then put her on the bed, okay. Then he tied her both hands and the legs, and after ensuring that now she will not shout, and now she will be helpless totally, with her both hands tied and both legs tied, okay. Then he demanded money. He demanded money. So she said, "Okay, whatever money you take," So he searched. The purse was there. He searched the purse, and he could get roughly around 4,000 something from the purse. But that was not enough for him. So he said, "I want more money." So she said, "I have got only the card. You can take this card." So he snatched the card. Then he forced her to give him the password number of that card. So he got the password number also. Then he took away the phone from her, which was lying near, so that she may not alert somebody or call somebody. Then he forced her to give the password number of the mobile phone also. So she was forced to give the password of the mobile number also. Once he got the password of the mobile number, then he forced her to watch pornographic movies. 3 clippings he showed her forcefully, made her to watch that. And in the meantime, when her both hands were tied and she was too nervous, in the meantime he got a chance to go to the kitchen, and the boiled eggs, took it, ice creams and chocolates he took, So he came back, then intentionally forcefully, sexually exploited her, okay. And then he must have realized that since she knows him very well and she would complain, then he suffocated her. He just pressed her neck, smothered her, and she died.
7 ऑक्टोबरा दिसा सावड्डे माडेमळ काकोड्या शोभा नायक करमलीचो तिच्याच घरान खून केल्लो. शोभा करमलीक घरात कोण नासो पळोवन गळो ओंदून मारल्या. पोस्टमॉर्टम रिपोर्टा प्रमाण तिचो गळो आवळून खून जाला. घरातली सवाला कॅश आनी टीव्ही व्हेल्या म्हणटात. तिचे आंगावेले भांगराक हात लायिल्ले ना. कोणे तरी वळखीच्याच मनशान हो खून केला आसुये म्हूण पुलिसांक दुबाव. DIG म्हणटा आतां ह्या केशीन पॉवरफूल लीड मेळ्ळ्या. केस रोकडीच क्रॅक जातली.
We have a lead, very strong lead, so it should be worked out very soon.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.